Assalamualaikum. Okay, today I will explain on the gas absorption unit, where the soluble gas compound is brought into the contact with liquids, which is the goal is to reduce the volatile component of the relevant component in the gas mixture. So how actually absorption in mass transfer, which is the operation which is gas mixture is contacted with liquid for purpose of preferentially dissolving one or more component of gases mixture, which is secondly to provide a solution of them in the liquid. The gases component is said to be absorbed by the liquid. Standard absorption column, gas mixture travel up through a gas absorption tower. The solute is transferred to the liquid phase and thus gradually remove the gas. The liquid accumulates solute on its way down through the column, which is the absorption consists of two processes, which is one is the physical absorption, second is the chemical absorption. So there are few general design in absorption column, which is they require a few things. First one is the nature of the solvent itself. Second, type of the column, either they use the plate one or the packing one. The third one is the size of the packing. And the fourth is the solvent flow rate, which is required of the time, either its flow is high or low. Next, the thing that need to be considered is the packet height, which is or the number of the plates required, which is the either the plate is high or low. And next is also the column diameter, which is either we want a big column or a small column. Then the last one that we need to consider or require in absorption column is the pressure drop for the gas over the column. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohd Shafi bin Shukri, and I would like to explain about advantages and disadvantages of absorption column. So absorption column, there are several type of absorption column, but the most commonly used, which is tray and pad column. So for the advantage of pad column, which is the pad column are more suitable for handling foaming system. Second one, for corrosive liquid, as pad column will usually be cheaper than the equivalent plate column. Packing should always be considered for small diameter columns, say less than 0.6 meter. It is low pressure low pressure drop required, small diameters possible, and can handle corrosive material due to corrosion resistant packing. Okay, so for the advantage of tray column, the first one is plate column can handle a wider range of liquid and gas flow rates than pad column. Pad column are not suitable for very low liquid rates. The efficiency of a plate can be predicted with more certainty than the equivalent term for packing. It is easier to make cooling in plate column. Coils can be installed on the plates. It is also easier to have withdrawal of side streams from plate column. And lastly, the plate column can be designed with more assurance than pad column. So there is always some doubt that good liquid distribution can be maintained throughout a pad column under all operating conditions, which is particularly in large column. Okay, so next, the disadvantages of both of these tray and pad column, it is cannot be handle extreme high or low flow rates. Need to be preferentially wetted to avoid reduction of the interfacial area to volume ratio. And lastly, channeling, which must be controlled by redistributing liquid. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is bin Ayob. I would like to present to you about the application of absorption column in oil and gas industry. Okay, in the first stage of oil and gas, which is exploration, the most used absorption method is on exploration such as seismic survey, which is we call it as geophysics. Okay, the conversion of one form of energy into another as the energy passes through a medium, such as the seismic wave are partially converted to heat as they pass through the rock. Okay, secondly is the application that used for absorption is in production facilities. Property of some liquid or solid to soak up water to another fluid. The natural gas dehydration process use glycol liquids. The absorption, the water vapor and finally obtain dehydrated gas. Moreover, inlet oil, also called absorption oil, used to remove heavier oil, liquid, such as hydrocarbon, from a wet gas stream to obtain a dry gas. Right. Okay, the most commonly used application in oil and gas is gas absorption. Okay, gas absorption, also known as scrubbing, is an operation in which a gas mixture is contacted with a liquid for the purpose of preferentially dissolving one or more component of the gas mixture and to provide a solution in them in the liquid. Therefore, we can see that there is a mass transfer of the component of the gas from the gas phase to the liquid phase. To solid, so transfer is said to be absorbed by the liquid. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, next, the applications of absorption column in our daily life. We take flue gas desulfurization as our example. These flue gas desulfurizations separated into wet scrubber and dry scrubber. So first, for the wet scrubber, the flue gas will be in contact with the absorbent, which can be a liquid or solid of solid material. The sulfur dioxide will be reacted with the absorbent and it will be trapped in it. So, for the dry scrubber, the absorbent that we can use is a limestone, which the solid particle that occur when the absorption is happen will be removed by the baghouse filter. So in wet scrubber, in dry scrubber, it has two types of absorbent. First is a limestone. For the limestone, the sulfur dioxide will be reacted with the limestone and it will be form the calcium carbide and carbon dioxide. And for the limes scrubbing process, the limes will be reacted with the sulfur dioxide, will be form water and calcium carbide. And the waste that produced from these absorptions, we call it as flue gas desulfurization.